How to withdraw funds from Kraken Pro to your bank. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app and log into your account. Next, tap on Portfolio at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see your crypto assets. Select the cryptocurrency you want to convert to cash for withdrawal, for example, Bitcoin. Tap the three dots next to the withdraw option and choose Convert. This lets you exchange your crypto into a stablecoin or fiat currency like USDT or USD. Enter the amount you want to convert, for example, $5 worth, and hit Continue. Review the fees, then confirm the conversion using your authentication app. Once your crypto is converted to cash or stablecoin, go back to your portfolio and select the converted currency like US dollars. Now tap Withdraw, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and either select the linked bank account or add a new one by entering your bank details. Kraken offers withdrawal options such as Swift or other bank transfer methods. Choose the method that works for you, fill in the bank information carefully, and submit the withdrawal request. Withdrawal processing times may vary depending on your bank and currency. Make sure your account is fully verified for a smooth withdrawal process. Now you know how to withdraw funds from Kraken Pro to your bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.